Hi, Caledonia Elementary students. Today I am going to do a tutorial with you how to make a kindness card for someone in the community. A lot of the first, second, and third graders got a chance to make these in class. However, the other grades, because we went to distance learning, you probably did not get a chance to make a kindness card. So these are going to be cards that are delivered to the nursing home or firefighters, police officers, or just workers in our Caledonia, Houston County area. So the first thing you're going to do is fold your piece of paper in half the long way. Get those corners matched up, and then press down firmly with your finger to make a nice crease. And this is going to be the front of your kindness card. Make sure that you have it folded the long way or the hot dog way. Then you're going to write a nice, kind message on the front. I've also included a document along with this video that gives you lots of different examples of kind messages that you could write. It could be a quote or just even one word, but something that will make someone really happy when they receive it. A nice, encouraging, or uplifting message that makes someone happy. So I think what I'm going to do on the front of mine is write smile. The more colors you use on your kindness card, the more happy or uplifting the card is going to be. So you can use markers, crayons, whatever you have at your house. Make this really eye-catching and bright. Add as many details as you want. So there's a good start to the front of my card. I can always come back and add more details. Maybe you want to write a different message on the front. That's totally fine. Whatever message you want to write is great. On the inside, you can make an illustration or a drawing, and you can also write another kind message. So I think for my inside message, I am going to write, and I'll use another color here. I hope you have a great day! Exclamation point. And then you can sign your name. It doesn't have to be your first and last name, but if you just want to write your first name, that would be great. So maybe I'll make a little heart, and then I will write my name, Mrs. Cruz. And then I want to make a picture of something that is uplifting or would bring a smile to someone's face. So I think right away using a lot of color will probably be a great thing to do. So maybe I could do a rainbow. What are some other things that you could draw that would show kindness? Maybe you could draw some people helping each other. That's a way of showing kindness. And for my rainbow, then I'm going to go to the next color of the rainbow, which would be orange. To yellow. And I would continue doing the rest of the colors of the rainbow, which would be green, blue, and purple. Like I said, you could draw some people Some different skin tones here. Here's their faces. And then maybe a way I could show them being kind to each other is maybe they're all holding hands, or they have their arms around each other. So I'll go like this, make it look like their arms around each other. And then at the end of each arm, I'm just going to make a circle so it kind of looks like a hand. And of course, I'm probably going to want to give them some clothes. So then you can just add the clothes over the top of their arms. An easy way to do that is to just make a rectangle on their body section. And then make a rectangle down their arm. And another rectangle down their arm. And look at that. You made a shirt. Now for the legs. I already have one leg down here, but they're going to need another leg. And then a rectangle and another rectangle. Color it in. And now they got themselves some pants. For shoes, the easiest way to do that is to make an oval. And then you just add all those details, and you're probably going to want to give each person 2 eyes and a smiling face. A lot of the classes at school, I talk a lot about texture. And texture is a great way of adding more detail to your picture to make it more interesting. So you can look around your house and try to find some different examples of texture. If you have a crayon that doesn't have any paper on it, that will work great. And I see right now, looking at my floor looks like it has some good texture. So I'm going to just set my computer down here. You can tell my floor has texture because if I run my fingers over it, you can feel the bumps and kind of the ridges. So when you take your crayon and roll it, that texture is going to appear. Cool. If you want, you can overlap that with another color. But it just makes your card more interesting, I think. This one still has the paper on the crayon. It'll still work. Just kind of hold it on its side a little bit. See that? And go back and forth. And that looks so cool with those colors overlapping. Bring it in closer so you can see. All right, so be as creative as you would like with these. I know that you're going to bring smiles to a lot of faces by making these cards and putting a nice message on them. The kindness cards are going to be handed out to different places in Caledonia on November 19th, which is a Thursday. So after you get your kindness card done, you can bring it to the elementary school. The front entrance doors by the office will be open from 8 to 4, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So if you can have a parent bring you to the school, there's going to be a box out in the entryway that says kindness cards on it. And all you have to do is take your kindness card and put it in the box. And then we will bring them to people in the community. And you will make a lot of people smile. You'll make their day. So again, you do not have to do this, but this is something that you can do if you have time. Just make sure you bring it to the school, put it in the box by the end of the day on Wednesday so that we can deliver them on Thursday morning. Thanks, everybody.